Hello everyone, a very refreshed morning to all. How are you? Fine? Great. Even I am fine, thank you. So class, it's time to begin with our today's classes. And I hope you all must have taken your proper healthy breakfast and all prepared and set to begin with today's classes. Is that so? Great. So class, today is 10th December 2020. What's the date? 10th December 2020 and the day is Thursday. Yes. So today we are going to begin our classes with which subject? Can you read here? Yes class. Now see, today I am going to explain you this topic also. So first I have written class. So you know which class you are in? You all are in UKG class. Yes. Now try to read the word subject. So now you all know how to read new words with their phonic pronunciation, isn't it? So now please read the subject here. Subject. So what is the subject we are going to study today? Maths. Yes. So today we are going to study maths. Now topic. Topic means what are we going to study? So topic. Can you tell me what is our today's topic? Counting. Yes. So you all know we are learning about lot of numbers here in maths. So today we are going to learn few more numbers. We are going to go ahead in our counting and we are going to learn from number 171 to number 200. Is that clear? So from which number we are going to start our counting today? 171. If you remember, we have completed our counting till 170 before your tests, isn't it? अभी जो PT test हुए हैं उनसे पहले we have already completed till 170. So now moving ahead, we are going to learn counting from 171 to 200. Yes. So these are the numbers we are going to see how to write them in a proper sequence. Clear? So today what I am going to do, it will be like a test for you all again. I will not make square here. No, I will not make any sort of square page today. Because now you are grown up. You have done lot of practice of writing countings. You know how you have to write your counting also, isn't it? So today ma'am is going to write numbers here without any box. But you are going to do the work in notebook. So you have to see how you are going to write them properly in a neat and clean sequence in your notebook. Is that clear to everyone? So shall we begin writing our numbers here? Great. So class C. Whenever we write our counting, how we do that? First, we write some alphabets here. Now, can anyone tell me the meaning of these alphabets? Yes, what these alphabets stands for? H stands for hundreds. Very good. T stands for tens. And O is here for ones. Yes, very good. So, this is the reason we have written HTO. That means hundreds, tens and ones. Now, from which number we are going to begin our counting? You can see here on the board. It's 171. Now class C, as we are saying the number, we have to write 171. Isn't it? So hundreds place में क्या था? 1 group है. Then tens की place में कितना है? 7 groups. And how many more object? 1 more object. Now many of you are doing the work like this. If it's your square notebook is like this. So actually we have to write 171. But how you all are, many of you, not all, how you are writing 171. So can you tell me where is hundreds, where is tens and where is ones? All in one square only. So this is the wrong way of writing your numbers. If you are writing your numbers like this, it's absolutely wrong. Many of you have shared your previous work like this, and 2 or 3 students have done this mistake even in their PT test, isn't it? So this is the wrong way. Repeatedly I am telling you, once again I have shown you, whenever you are writing numbers, you are asked to write numbers to be written in these separate boxes. Why? Because each box is having their own values, hundreds, tens and ones, isn't it? अब आप सभी वन एक ही बॉक्स में लिख दोगे, so how will I come to know what is hundreds and what you have written tens and what is ones? So you have to write your numbers like this, and while writing like this even, it is really compulsory, it is most important point to keep in your mind. You have to write these H, T, O or only tens and ones, whatever number you are writing. According to that, you have to write the alphabets also. Is that clear to all? Okay, let's move ahead. So we have started our numbers from 171. And now I'll write little small so that it's easy to complete. So once again I'll write hundreds, tens and ones. I hope it's visible to you. So 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177. अब नीचे के नंबर कहाँ जाएंगे? God knows. Many of you have done your papers on plain sheets like this and have done the counting like this. Is it the correct way of doing the work? No, it's not. Whenever you are doing your maths work, you have to do that in your square page work only. Is that clear? So those who have done the work like this, I have cut down their marks. This is why I have done this to tell you. Understood? So maths work cannot be done on a plain page. You need to have a square notebook for that. So now let's have a square page here. See class, if you have a plain piece of paper, a plain page, you can draw some lines using a scale and a pencil like this and make a square page. Isn't it? मैम के पास बोर्ड पे स्क्वायर तो होते नहीं है, neither in the class nor here. Have you ever seen? But ma'am always makes a square board. Square pages, square boxes बनाते हैं ma'am using my markers and chalks. So this is how you can do the same in your plain page also. And once you have done, it will be easy for you to write your counting neatly. See how easy it is. It don't take lot of time also. So easy it is to draw squares like this. So you can also learn to use a scale and pencil. Now let's start writing the numbers, okay? So the first thing we do is write hundreds, tens and ones. अब देखा, क्योंकि square है, so I am able to write little small. Square नहीं थे तो कितना big लिखा था. Similarly it happens with you also. Okay बेटा? So now let's start. 171. Then we have 172. 173, 174, 175, 176. Now what comes? 177, 178, 179, and what will come after 79? 180. Yes. So after this, what you have to do? Skip one line. Again write hundreds, tens and ones. Clear? Now after 180, what will come here? What will be the first number in the next line? 181. 182. Now see class, जैसे मैम बोल रही हैं उसी तरह लिख रही हैं. 181, 182 ऐसे तो नहीं लिख रहे मैम. Isn't it? 181, 182. So you have to speak it like this only. 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, and after that 190. Yes. So after completing one more line, what we will do? We'll put a cross here. So that it means we have to skip this line. Now see, we have to make some more boxes here. So I'll make some more standing lines. Like this. Now, again we are going to write hundreds, tens and ones. Clear? We have written hundreds, tens and ones. Now, after writing till 190, 190, what will be the next number? The next number will be 191. So, yes, we are going to write 191. 192. देखिए मैम जैसे बोल रही हैं जिस प्लेस पे जो नंबर बोल रहे हैं वही लिखना है. Now 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, then we have 198, 199. So can you tell me what to be written here after 199? We are going to write 200. Yes. So for 200 we have to write 2 at hundreds place. And then we have 0 at tens and ones place. So this is how we write 200. Because if you remember, when we have written 100, we have written 1 at hundreds place. तभी तो ये सारा 1 1 लिखा ना हमने hundreds place पे. But when we have come here for 200, so 2 to be written under hundreds place, and we have 0 at tens and ones place. Is that clear? This is how you are going to write your counting. So let us have a quick revision of all these numbers that we have written. 171, say with me. 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. After that, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Clear everyone? How you are going to write your counting? Not only the writing part, you have to revise it orally also. Clear? So class, tomorrow again we are going to have our maths class, and in that we are going to start a very interesting new concept I'll teach you. But to do that work, you have to be very much thorough with your counting from 1 to 200. Clear? Though tomorrow I am going to begin only with single digit numbers, but that can be done till multiple numbers 200 तक भी हम उस counting उस concept को use कर सकते हैं. So please you have to be very much thorough with your counting. Is that clear? So what is your today's work? Today you are going to do this work. Yes, in your notebook. Yes, do this in your notebook. So how you are going to do? You want me to show that? Okay, I'll just show you how to do this work in notebook. See, and after that complete. Okay, beta? So class, now let's see how we are going to write counting in our notebook today. Clear? So let's open the notebook. So the first thing that you have to do is write today's date. So what is the date, class? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it's 10th December 2020. Clear? So after writing the date like this, you have to mention CW, your classwork. Understood? Then write down the topic, counting 171 to 200. Understood? Now as I told you, what is the first thing we are going to write here? Hundreds, tens and ones. So let's do that. Hundreds, tens, ones. And after that we'll put a cross. Understood? Now let's begin the counting. 171, 172, 173, 174, then we have 175, 176, 177. After that, what will be the next number? 178, 179, 180. Clear? So after writing till 180, how we are going to begin the next? Then again we are going to mention hundreds, tens and ones here. How? Hundreds, tens, ones. And again we'll put a cross. Clear? So here we are going to begin with 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, lastly 190. Clear? Now we have completed 2 lines. So that means we haven't reached 200. So we have to write 100, tens and ones and put a cross mark once again like this. Clear? So as we have completed till 190, now we are beginning from 191, 192, 193, 194, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, and then what I told you? 200. Is that clear? So this is how you will write your counting from 171 to 200. So this is your today's classwork, isn't it? Now tell me, what's your homework? Homework is same as classwork. So you have to write this counting once again on this page as your today's homework. Clear all? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's work in notebook. Complete your counting work, and after that keep revising it orally also. Clear? Oral revise कीजिएगा, and yes, I promise you tomorrow there will be a very interesting topic we are going to begin, for which why I am beginning it tomorrow, so that you can do a lot of practice on Saturday and Sundays also. Clear? All free with your exams. So now start revising all the topics from the beginning that I am teaching from nowadays. Okay beta? Now after this, get ready for your next EVS class. Yes. Bye. Take care.